The 13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
5:16 on the clock this morning, and welcome back to 13 on Your Side. You can see that our weather ball is currently blinking green. Now, we are currently keeping it green for the next couple of days here in honor and in solidarity with those that were impacted by everything that happened at MSU. But we are going to continue on keeping it blinking bright as we have rain showers in sight this morning. And this is sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Taking a current look at our satellite and radar, we even had a few run-of-the-mill thunderstorms that rolled through late last night and into early this morning. We're on the tail edge of the rainfall of this system, and it's going to continue to part ways. But what we will continue to see throughout the day today, and in fact getting even stronger, are these gusty winds. This low pressure system is still juxtaposed to the north and west of us, and you can see this really strong wind field surrounding it. So even though we are going to see rain showers come to a close as we track throughout the next 3 hours or so, we are going to continue on with these windy conditions. Currently gusting at 37 miles per hour in Holland, 30 miles per hour in Kalamazoo, 30 miles per hour in Battle Creek. As we track towards about 9 a.m. this morning, that's when winds are anticipated to be the strongest, gusting near that 50 mile per hour mark. We could see potential isolated power outages. I think that will be pretty hit or miss. But other than that, any loose objects should be brought indoors. You still got time to do so. Again, winds are going to be the strongest from about 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. tonight. Then they begin to subside some as we track into your Wednesday. But that's when our next weather maker is expected to arrive as we head into Thursday afternoon, I should say. Temperature-wise throughout the day today, we are waking up this morning in the upper 40s to low 50s. We will continue to cool down into the mid 40s during the afternoon hours, of course, feeling even cooler than that with these strong winds. Hour by hour forecast here features that low pressure system exiting the region. But by early tomorrow morning, we're talking as early as 6 a.m., this low pressure system is going to be on our doorsteps. The only thing that's changed with this is that it continues to track a little bit further south each model run. We've noticed this trend all the way from Monday, and it's becoming rather consistent. That means we are actually going to mainly wrap into the cold edge of this system now, leaving the wintry mix along the I-94 corridors, potentially just a little bit north of that. And that means we are going to see impactful snowfall for a majority of the region. This is going to be a quick moving system starting at around 2 p.m. at the latest and continuing on until around 9 o'clock at night before exiting the region. Only a few light flurries left after that. And during that short time frame, it's going to put down a good dose of snowfall. Snowfall rates could be up to an inch per hour, bringing a swath and widespread 6 inches everywhere along and north of I-96. South of that looks to be closer to 2 to 3+ inches of snowfall with a glaze of ice underneath it. So they're still going to see the impacts from this system. Again, it's going to be the snowfall rates that are going to bring the biggest impacts in terms of travel concerns, as well as reduced visibility. That glaze of ice will be a potential for those along I-94. Today, though, temperatures will continue to drop slowly down into the mid 40s. Windy conditions prevail, and of course our wind advisory remains in place until 4 p.m. tonight. The rest of your 13 on Your Side 10-day forecast showing off that along with that wintry system that moves through on Thursday, temperatures drop down into the upper 20s on Friday afternoon.